Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change sound output for your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to navigate to the settings in the top right corner of our screen. From here, scroll down and find Device Preferences, and now locate Sound. Click OK, and you'll be able to see sound output. Click OK again, and here you can change the sound output to whatever extension you want. So it's built-in speakers, SPDIF, HDMI, ARC, or headphones. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.